In today's video, we're going to be doing what I'm calling the Rainbow Tsunami. So if you watch till the end, that'll make a lot of sense. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this shirt folded up. We're going to do a simple spiral, and then we're going to apply rainbow colors on one half of the spiral and black on the other. So let's get it twisted up. Okay, this one's looking pretty tight. I think what I'm going to do now is we're going to do dye. So half black, half rainbow pattern. Okay, I'm going to do the rainbow first. So I've got 6 little pieces of pie drawn here. We're going to go red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then this side here is going to be all black. So first, Chinese red. Quick little pointer, make your yellow big, the patch a little bit bigger than you think you might want to, because yellow gets taken over by the colors that are adjacent to it very easily. So you can go a little bit harder on the yellow, even go over your line, and that'll preserve some of the true yellow patch that you'll see in the end. All right, I like it. It looks pretty cool. The final result is really how the best way to sort of see what this whole thought was about, but I think this looks pretty neat. So next thing we're going to do is I'm going to put this into a tote. We're going to wait 24 hours. I'll probably just rinse this one out and then bring it back for the reveal. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. This looks pretty cool. I have a strong suspicion that it's going to turn out nicely. It looks pretty dark right now because this is like a dark, this is nightshade, this is the dark purple, and this whole half here is black. But I have a suspicion this is going to look good, so let's go ahead and get this popped open. Yeah, this looks killer. I'm digging the white. There's just enough to sort of make some pops in here. But, okay, Rainbow Tsunami. So the idea here is that this is all dark background, right? Like maybe the ocean at night. And this is a rainbow wave. So this is sort of like a one color spiral. I've done that where you do just 50-50 with like black and a different color, and then you end up getting one single spiral, but this spiral was broken up into 6 colors, and I think it looks pretty darn good. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Yeah, this looks great. Let's take a look at the back. I think I might like that orientation better. Oh, it's, yeah, my mistake. This is the front. This is the orientation that I like better, with the wave kind of crashing that way. Okay, well, let's get it rinsed out, and we'll take a peek at it once it has lightened up a little bit. All right, let's take a peek. Rainbow Tsunami. It's just a good shirt, plain and simple. This looks really nice. The colors are good. The spiral's pretty tight. I think there's not much not to like about it. It did lighten up just a little bit, but I think this is generally one that almost anybody who likes tie-dye is going to think is pretty cool. Well, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.